This TikTok creativity program can make you earn $1,000 without showing your face and without recording anything with the camera. And in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you how to generate almost instantly hundreds of monetizable faceless TikToks. So you can make money online even as a complete beginner. I will also share how I actually got instantly monetized for the TikTok creativity program, despite the fact that the country where I reside is not even on the list of available countries for TikTok creativity program, which is now only available in US, France, and Brazil. And then I want to share 5 unique faceless TikTok niches and how to make your first $1,000 with TikTok without showing your face. All of that and more in this step by step tutorial. Despite the fact that they have never really recorded anything with the camera, and TikTok creativity program, at least for me, is paying anywhere from 30 cents to $1.50 for 1,000 views. So you can just do the math and see how much money they are making for these millions of views. Because in order to make this much amount of money, they need amount of qualified views, which may seem completely unreachable. But remember that these completely faceless accounts, which I don't really believe have a completely new feature by TikTok, and in order to be monetized and be approved for TikTok creativity program, you need to meet requirements, which are to have a US based account, to be at least 18 years old, to have 10,000 followers and 100,000 views. And quite honestly, the account where I resign is not even on that list, and I didn't want to wait for months to get 10,000 followers and 100,000 views so I can just potentially get monetized. So I actually found a way to get instantly monetized on TikTok even if your country is not available for the creativity program better. And I am going to share that somewhere at the end of this video now to actually generate high quality RS and create better content than all of these guys are doing, so you can get even more views and build an actual brand. I made a lot of different prompts and resources, templates you can use for completely free. I'm giving them away for completely free. All that is going to be in the description below. There's no strings attached. I'm not going to ask you for your email. It's completely free. And this is the first thing. This is the ChatGPT prompt, which you can just copy and you can paste it into ChatGPT to get table of content made by ChatGPT. As you can see, now this AI tool will generate the title for our riddles, and we will have the cook different options and of course the correct answer for each. Now once you have the entire table, the next step is to copy the entire table. So literally just select everything that is inside, including title, hook, options and stuff like that, and then just open up Google Sheets and just paste it in there. And then if needed, you will have to remove the background color, bold the title, hook option, option 2, option 3 and answer at the end. If I needed, I also left this example spreadsheet in the description box below so you can also access it for completely free. That also made for you completely free, which is also going to be linked in the description below. So you can just click on edit template and that's going to open this reel over here that you can fully customize. Now to change background, if you don't like this one, you will have to click on it to select, and then on the left hand side you can select different videos which I search. Simply need to go back to your spreadsheet and then you will click on file. You will download this as a CSV file, which is going to be comma separated values. So now that you have that CSV file downloaded, you will just have to go back to Canva. On the left hand side you want to select apps and then search on it bulk create, and then just click on upload CSV. And now for each of these you will just need to select, for example, title, and then you will click collect data and then just select title over here. If it's going to be the hook, then you will just click on the right click and then connect data and then select hook. And now what that will do is that it will allow you to create all of these riddles which were generated by ChatGPT, TikToks that you can straight up upload to a platform and monetize. And now, as I promise how I actually got instantly monetized despite the fact that my country is not even on the list for TikTok creativity program beta. Well, if you click the first link in the description box down below or you go to dave.com, TikTok monetization. You can get instantly monetized TikTok account, an account that has already been approved for the creativity program beta, so you can access it from any country in the world and be monetized right away, so that every single video that you publish from day one will be monetized as long as it doesn't go against their community guidelines. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and